Hello, in this video I show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on BMW E90 E91 318i. The AC compressor is located right there, just behind the hoses and just underneath the alternator. First we start by removing the air filter box. Now that the air filter box is removed, now we have better access to the serpentine belt and to the AC compressor. First we start by removing the serpentine belt. This is the tensioner that we need to loosen to remove the belt. We're gonna put the pin in so that it holds the tensioner in a position to remove the belt. Now that the pin is in, the tensioner will stay in a loosened position so that we can easily remove the belt and then put it back. That's where we put in the pin. Next, we'll start removing the AC compressor. First, we have to remove the two AC lines that connect to the compressor. They're with Allen key size 6, and there is also an electrical connector that we need to remove as well. If the video is useful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. Yep, that's the first AC line out. Next we remove the next AC line. We remove the electrical connector and we can start removing the bolts for the AC compressor. Here's a closer look at what I've done. The electrical connector, the two AC lines, and also we see the two bolts that hold the AC compressor in place. That's one, and the other one is over there. Yep, just there on the left, that's the second. and there is another bolt on the bottom. We can see on the new compressor that where the So we start by removing the 3 bolts. First we remove the bolt on the back of the compressor, then we remove the bolts on top and bottom. We remove the bolt on the back of the compressor. Now next we will remove the bolt on the bottom of the compressor, but we need to lift the car up and do it from the bottom. The bolt that we need to remove is just there. There is not much space to remove it, but we need to figure out how to. This is my way of removing it. I found a hole that I can put in the socket along with the extension, and we'll remove it from. And that's the second bolt removed. Now we have one more bolt left on top of the compressor. That's the last bolt out. Next we can remove the AC compressor. We need to find space from where we can take it out, and we just and that's the compressor out. Now we can put on the new AC compressor. Thank you for watching.